In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete text in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're working on an important project, updating a document, or correcting a mistake, knowing how to delete text can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you're comfortable with every aspect. First, you'll need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This might seem straightforward, but it's the essential first step before you can make any changes to your document. Once you have the PDF open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already well acquainted with it. Next, you'll want to locate the Edit PDF option. This is typically found on the right-hand panel or on the top toolbar of the program. Sometimes you'll find this under the Tools tab, and from there you would select Edit PDF. Clicking this option will switch you into edit mode, which is the essential state for making any modifications to the content of your PDF. In edit mode, identify the specific text in the document that you want to remove. Once you click on this text, you'll notice that a text box becomes highlighted or active. This is your cue that the text is now available for editing. The highlighting indicates that the text can be altered, whether you want to delete or replace it. Now comes the part where you actually delete the text. If you're using a Windows computer, you can simply press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the selected text from the document. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you're removing only the desired text to avoid accidental deletions. After you've made the necessary deletions, it's crucial to save your changes to ensure your edits are preserved. You can do this by navigating to the File menu and selecting Save. If you'd like to keep the original document intact and save this edited version separately, choose Save As. This creates a new file with your changes, allowing you to retain both versions for future reference, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily remove unwanted text from your PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to go over these steps as often as needed until you become confident. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave any questions or comments in the section below. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and happy editing with Adobe Acrobat.